We're here at Boca Grande, Florida. It's just fairly close to Port Charlotte on the Charlotte Harbor of the Peace River. And we're just here enjoying the ambiance of the beach. And you can see people checking for shells and walking and playing in the water, some of them way down. And it's just a beautiful day. The waves just rolling in, and you can see way down the beach where it gets even a little bit hazy as we go from the foam spray from the salt water. And it's just a beautiful place to be, and a place to enjoy the peace of nature. And the waves are really quite high in some cases, and they are very nice. And you can see Pat enjoying the sunshine also, and the beach. So this is Dave from Living the Creative Lifestyle. Hope to see you again soon.